This is your sign. It's time to get your spiritual fire back. Let's go to Jeremiah 20, verse 9. It says, His word is in my heart like a fire shut up in my bones. When the fire of God gets in you, you can't stay silent. You can't stay cold. You can't stay stuck. Some of you don't need a new sermon. You need a fresh fire. You've been surviving on old oil, but God's ready to ignite something new in you. That fire breaks chains. That fire burns off fear. That fire fuels you. Don't settle for lukewarm. Don't live on empty. Ask Him to light you up again. Drop a flame emoji below if you're ready for God to reignite your spirit. Like and share this if you're done with playing it safe. You were born to burn brighter. God bless you. Amen.